Hi, this is Zdenka. For those who have been watching me on this channel for a while know that I'm a pretty big fan of Moza Slypod E. I've been using this slider for a while for B-roll shots, product shots, and also as an overhead setup. But I'm happy to say that there's a new product on the market, Moza Slypod PRO. I think you're a little bit too early. I said not yet. What has changed? And what has been added? What is new? Let's look at this Slypod in today's video. Guts and Moza has provided this product for a review, but I'm not being told what to say. Let's look at the whole package. The weight is 3.8 kilograms. Nice carrying bag is included. Let's see what's inside. Slypod PRO itself, user manual, charging cable, quick release universal pen and tilt, which is newly designed. It is compatible with Arca plate. First and foremost, what is an absolute attention grabber is the design and look. It looks really sharp. Material is carbon fiber, so it is very light. However, it is the heaviest of all of those Slypods. The main body weighs 1,460 grams. Unlike the other ones, this one comes with a built-in tripod, which is built-in lock, so it can stand on its own. When you press the ring up, it can be tilted up to 60 degrees in any direction, which brings in more possibilities for creative shots. This is how you fold the legs and open them. Each has a lock. If you don't need this tripod, it can be removed. Let's look at the pen and tilt head, which has been also redesigned. Let's remove it from the Slypod. There is a safety lock, so I need to unlock that first to be able to remove it. There are two knobs, one for pen adjustments, and the other one is for pitch and roll adjustments. The movements are quite smooth actually. It feels very heavy duty. It is very sturdy. I gotta say that it is a big improvement from Moza Slypod E. I must say, way more control. The beauty about it is that you can mount it to your camera, even smartphone, camera on a gimbal, even smartphone on a gimbal. Let's look at the body. As you can see, there are two Arca Swiss quick release plates with 1/4 inch and 3/8 holes where you can attach different equipment like tripod or monopod. The beauty about this is that you can mount the head or the tripod on either side. If you are filming outdoors where you have your camera on top and you want to manually control the movement, you can attach it to this side. For the rest of the shots, you just attach it the classic way, which would be tripod here and tilt and pad head here. This part here is a soft rubber for a better grip. Because it is basically a monopod, you can use this for tight spaces. It doesn't take too much storage room. One thing I really like about it, that it is super easy to set up. That is why I like to use this for overhead shots. Storage length is 650 millimeters. Maximum expanded length is 1,180 millimeters. The other models can extend up to 280 millimeters. This one is much longer. It can go up to 530 millimeters. Maximum endurance is the same for all models, which is 90 minutes. The lithium battery is different than the other two models. Here is the type displayed on the screen, and the charging time is a little bit longer, which is 4 hours. The other two models have 3 hours of charging time. Maximum payload is less. Horizontal payload is 2 kilograms and vertical one is 6 kilograms. On the other two models, it is 4 kilograms for horizontal and 9 kilograms for vertical. However, operating speed can reach much faster maximum. This one is 70 millimeters a second. The other two models are 28 millimeters a second. The lowest speed is the same for all, and that is 0.15 millimeters a second. So let's finally turn it on and let's see the sound. I'm gonna press it all the way, so it should go very fast, and obviously the faster it's gonna go, the louder it's gonna get. So this would be the fast speed. And now I'm just gonna go very slow, and obviously the slower you go, the quieter it's gonna get. So this would be how quiet this can be. And it's still moving fairly fast, but it's definitely quieter. It is super simple to operate this. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press plus to start extracting. Minus is obviously contracting. Press 2 times the plus sign to make it faster and faster. Minus is going to contract it, as I said before. If you want to stop the movement, you can double press the power button. And if you want to fully return to starting position, just triple press the power button. This is how you would operate this manually, but obviously you can connect it with your smartphone to unlock tons of new creative ways, opportunities. Now you can connect the camera to the Slypod Pro via cable, but that cable needs to be purchased separately. Then you would be able to control your camera to take the photos via the app. Let's look at the home screen of the Moza Genie app. Here's your battery level. Below is remote control, creative video, silent mode, upgrade, settings, and linkage control, where you can connect Moza Aircross to gimbal. I will test that in a future video for sure. Let's explore the app a bit. Remote control. If I drag the circle, I can get to any position I want. Here is where you adjust the speed. Once you double tap the arrow upwards, it will automatically extract in the desired speed. And that would be regular mode. Gear shift is where it goes slow, then fast, and then slow again. Acceleration is where it goes first slow, and then it goes quite fast. Let's check out a creative video. Here we have segmentation video, where you can exactly program moves and timing. You just add path and select speed and duration. Step time-lapse is next. Again, everything can be customized. Travel distance, frame number, cycle settings, exposure time, interval times, and frames per second. Last one is gradient step time-lapse, where you can set the same things and also increment and decrement interval. Under settings, you can change your indicator light to whichever color you like, check out current firmware version, and calibrate your Slypod. Again, linkage control is where you would work with Moza Aircross 2 gimbal. I really appreciate the tripod, mainly for product shots, for product B-roll, which I do quite a bit. It is so much easier to get them done this way instead of using a regular slider and then attaching it vertically to tripod. It's just so much faster to set this up and get this done. I also appreciate that it can extend much longer, because for myself, when I'm filming the overhead setups, when I have second camera filming from the top, it's just better position for me. I don't have to reach with my arms that far. I can just hold them here comfortably, and I know I can reach precisely above me and just film this. Lastly, I really appreciate the tilt and pan head. It has been really hugely improved. It is way sturdier. It is definitely huge improvement. Well, this was a first look and introduction of Moza Slypod PRO. So far, I've been really enjoying this product. I wish the motors were a little bit quieter though, but again, so far very happy, only time will tell. For those interested to see the pricing, link to this product can be found below the video in a video description. And yes, those are international links. You can see the pricing in your currency depending on where you live. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video informative, and subscribe to more videos with this Slypod Pro. And if you have any questions, or simply want to say hi or ahoy or leave any comments, you know what to do. Leave it below, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Ciao! Ahoy!